Good morning, everybody. I just got to the DFW airport. It is early morning today. It is currently 6:58. Oh, no. Whoops, my camera just fell. But anyways, it is 6:58 a.m. right now. My sign-in is at 7:35, so I'm here with plenty of time. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I did not want to get out of bed this morning. I was so tired, but as I was getting ready for work, Miss Luna was hanging out with me, and I just couldn't help but have the biggest smile on my face just being with her. While I was driving here, the sunrise was absolutely gorgeous, and it just reminded me that it is a brand new day full of new opportunities and great things ahead. So today it's a pretty easy day. I'm working 2 flights. We're going from DFW to San Antonio, and then San Antonio right back to DFW, and then I am actually deadheading from DFW to Kansas City, Missouri. So let's go and have a fabulous day. Good morning, everyone. It is currently 3:21 a.m. I am in Kansas City, Missouri right now, and oh my gosh, I am so tired. I think this is probably the toughest part of my job, being a flight attendant, is having to wake up super early sometimes. This early morning definitely calls for some coffee. Alright, I'm gonna sip on my coffee while I get ready for work. And full transparency with you all, I did not vlog yesterday, like here at the hotel, because I had a rough day yesterday. I had a rough day at work, which is okay, it happens every once in a while. I think it's important to remember that you can love something, like I love my job, but that doesn't mean that every day is going to be perfect. And anyways, kind of just once I got to the hotel, I really wanted to take some time to myself to reset and like get my attitude in check, so that way I could wake up today with a much more positive attitude. Yeah, I don't know, I guess just reset. I just needed to take some time to rest and relax and reset, and now I'm ready to have a much better day. All right, we are just going with super simple ponytail today, and then I'm not gonna do a lot of makeup because it's just like so early in the morning. But even though it is very early in the morning, I always make sure to wear my sunscreen, and then I'm actually gonna mix this with a little bit of this. This adds just a little bit of tint. So yeah, instead of doing like a lot of face makeup, I'm just gonna do this guy today. This is my little sunscreen concoction. I feel like a scientist. Actually, I'm more like an artist, a painter. The canvas is my face. These are the things that I think of at 3 in the morning. Get these really random thoughts. I've always wondered, like people who are not flight attendants or cabin crew, if you have to wake up this early for work, like if you have to wake up between the hours of 3 and 5 a.m., why? What do you do? I'm just curious. I have about 20 minutes until our pickup, so I'm doing good on time. But I just need to finish packing up my clothes, put my uniform on, and get the room all cleaned up. Okay, I am ready to go. I'm definitely feeling a little bit more awake now from the coffee, so that is great. And we have 2 flights today. Our first is from Kansas City, Missouri to Phoenix, and then I think we have about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours in between flights, and then we go from Phoenix to New Orleans. So I'm going to put it out there right now. We are going to have a great day, and I will see you all in a bit. Just got to Phoenix. The flight was good. It was smooth at the beginning, but then we had some turbulence and it was a little bumpy towards landing. Some of you probably know by now if you've watched a few of my other videos where I have stopovers in Phoenix. I love going to the restaurant called Wildflower. and this is where I picked up lunch for today. I'm not super hungry right now because I brought a bagel with peanut butter from home and I ate that on our first flight, so I think I'll eat this for lunch maybe later or on this upcoming flight. I always get the chopped salad, and instead of the feta cheese, I substitute that with a little bit of cheddar cheese, but it has like the salad, chicken, quinoa, bell peppers, and it looks like corn, and this is their dressing. I think it's like an avocado dressing. It is so good. And then with their salads, they always give you a piece of bread too. I still have about an hour and a half before my next flight, so I think I'm just gonna hang out, maybe read, edit some content, and then I will see you all when I get to New Orleans. All right, y'all, so I am actually back in DFW now. I just got to my car in the employee lot. I am not in New Orleans like I was obviously supposed to be. I actually never even made it to New Orleans, never had a layover there. And yeah, let me try to explain everything to you guys. Good afternoon from Indianapolis. This is the view that I have out my window. I need to clarify a few things, so let's chat. So the last time that we talked, I told you all that I would explain what happened with my trip, but once I got home, I was just so checked out and really tired and just wanted to be with Eric and Luna, so I didn't pick up my camera. But anyways, right now I am on another flight attendant trip. I am in Indianapolis, and this layover will be an entirely different vlog that will be coming next. But anyways, what happened to my trip is when we were in Phoenix, our flight to New Orleans had a pretty significant delay. This was going to be really long. It was a mechanical issue with the aircraft, and in the end, they ended up getting a different aircraft for another crew to take those passengers to New Orleans because my crew timed out. And what that means is essentially the FAA has certain legalities and certain hours that as crew members we cannot go over. That would be our maximum. And had we taken that flight from Phoenix to New Orleans, we would have gone over our maximum duty limit. These rules are put into place for safety and to prevent crew fatigue. It ended up being all good because there was a different crew that was able to take those passengers to New Orleans, and then we were pulled off of the trip. I had two options. I could either stay the night in Phoenix and deadhead back the next morning, and what deadhead means is you are still considered a working crew member, but you are sitting in a regular passenger seat, or I was also able to call our schedulers and just say, hey, I'm gonna waive that deadhead tomorrow and I'm just going to non-rev back on my own today. And what non-rev means is it's basically just using my flight benefits. So if there's an open seat, then I can take it and I can fly anywhere. So I waited around for a few flights, and there ended up being a flight from Phoenix to Dallas that night that did have open seats. So I just took that on my own and came home. In short, we had a delay, my crew timed out, and I was able to go home. But you guys, oh my gosh, I am just so excited for this month of travel. If you made it this far in the vlog, I'll tell you about a few places that I'm going to. Mid-month, I'm going to Salt Lake City, Utah to celebrate my little sister Alicia's birthday. And then towards the end of the month, Eric and I are taking a tropical beach quick getaway trip to one of my favorite destinations to celebrate our anniversary. And then after that, I do have a flight attendant trip with some awesome beach layovers. One is domestic and one is international. I've just been really feeling like I need a change in my content in a way. Like obviously I love making my flight attendant vlogs, but I do think sometimes that content can be a little bit repetitive. So I've been researching and just trying to brainstorm some different ideas and different ways of filming. That way I can just make my vlogs super entertaining for y'all and different. And I'm just so excited for these trips because I think they're going to be really fun to film, and I can't wait to bring you all with me. But oh, also real quick before you all go, super random, but I wanted to tell you all about Eric's sister. So her name is Melanie, and she runs an amazing online blog and Instagram page
page called The Bonus Space. She focuses a lot on house improvement, flipping stuff, and gardening and food, and just all of this really, really cool stuff. And she is entering into a contest where if she wins, she will win $25,000 for her small business, as well as a feature in Make magazine. And the way that she wins is if she gets the most votes. So I'm gonna go vote for her, and I'm gonna put a link in the description box below to her Instagram, her blog, and the area where you all can go vote. So if you guys want to extend your support to her in any way possible, I think that would be absolutely incredible. But with all of that said, I am now gonna head out and go explore cold Indianapolis. So make sure that you all stay tuned for that vlog. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting me and my channel. I am super excited about what's coming ahead, and I hope that you all are too. Bye.